Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss about how you can edit your profile details on the BotPenguin platform. Once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you have different options. To edit your details, you have to click on the More option right here. Then you have to go to the My Account section. Here we have two different subsections, account and password. To edit the details of your account, you have to stay on the account section. Here you will find three different options: profile information, primary contact information, and company information. You can edit any of these details from this section. To manage your personal information and settings, you have to click on the profile information. And from here, you can edit your profile image. You can click on this button if you want to upload any new profile image. You can edit the name of your account from here. If you want to change the email ID of your account, you can do it from here. Similarly, if you want to change the phone number of your account, you can do it from here. You can also change the language of your account. You have to click on this button and you can choose the required language from the drop-down menu. After editing all these details, you have to click on the Submit button to save all these changes. Similarly, you can update your primary business contact information from here. Here you can type the name, whatever you want. You can choose your business title from this list. For the demo purpose, I am selecting Social Media Manager here. You can also add your business email here, and you can also add your business phone number here. At last, you can edit your company specific details from the company information section. Here you have to enter your company name. For the demo purpose, I am entering BotPenguin here. Then you have to select the industry of your business. You can choose the business industry from this list. You can also choose the other option if you do not find any option relevant to your business. You can also enter the company size here. You can select the number of employees working in your company from this list. And here you can enter your company's website. For the demo purpose, I am entering BotPenguin's website here. And then you have to click on the Submit button to save all these changes. So this was how you can edit your details on the BotPenguin platform. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.